Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are making the absolute cuttest accessory, this gorgeous crochet mesh bow keychain. Look at how stunning this texture is. It has this open, very grid look, a clean white contrast border, and we are assembling it into a perfect bow shape wrapped tightly in the center. It makes the perfect charm for your keys, your backpacks, or even as a cute accent in your kitchen. It's an incredibly quick project, perfect for using up your scrap yarn, and makes a wonderful handmade gift. For today's tutorial, you'll need your main color yarn. I'm using this gorgeous pink some contrast white yarn for the border, a crochet hook, a keychain ring, and your scissors. Grab your yarn and let's get right into the pattern. Alright, to kick things off, grab your main color yarn and make a slip knot. To get the perfect length for our bow loops and tails, we are going to start with a foundation chain of 51. As you chain, try to keep your stitches nice and even. If you're a beginner, don't pull too tightly so it's easy to work back into this foundation row in the next step. Now for row 2, we are going to create that beautiful open mesh grid style using triple crochet stitches. To start, yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the stitch, pull through, and work those loops off 2 by 2. To create the mesh window, we are going to chain 1. Skip exactly 1 stitch in the middle, and then place another triple crochet into the next stitch. You're going to repeat this sequence all the way to the end of the row. Once you finish row 2, turn your work and repeat the exact same grid pattern. We need a total of 4 rows of this triple crochet mesh to give the bow its full thickness. Go ahead and finish your 4 rows. Your mesh strip should look just like this now. To really make this design pop, we are going to frame it with a clean, solid white border. Attach your white yarn right here at the corner stitch. For the border, we are going to use double crochet to give it a nice, defined frame. Chain 2, and then work your double crochets evenly all the way around the entire edge of the strip. When you're working along the long sides, you can place your double crochets directly into those open mesh spaces too. Clean up the edges perfectly. I actually have a second identical piece right here that I worked up off camera using the exact same pattern. This is where the magic happens, bringing our mesh pieces together into a bow. Take your first piece and fold the ends inward to meet in the middle, creating 2 loops. Take your second piece and drape it underneath to form the elegant hanging tails of the bow. Now grab a strand of your white yarn. We are going to wrap it tightly right around the middle multiple times. This pinches the mesh together perfectly and creates that clean center band you see on the front. Tie it securely at the back. Before cutting our yarn tails at the back, grab your metal keychain ring and attach to it. And there you have it. Your finished crochet mesh bow keychain is complete. I am absolutely obsessed with how this looks. The mesh texture, combined with that contrast border, is just so elegant. It looks amazing on keys or as a bag charm. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It helps me so much and keeps these free tutorials coming your way. Let me know in the comments down below what color combo you're going to make next. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!